follow me while I go to the market. Join me, don't follow me. Join me while I go to the market to get what I want to use and cook Afang soup. Yeah, today we're making Afang soup, and I decided to leg myself to the market to get what I want to use. Look at me walking like somebody that does not know road to her father's house. But true, I don't know road to my house, so my brothers they carry me go. Okay, I look forward. I see say road still far. Like, come on, I cannot leg this thing. I can't. So I decided to take a bus to the market or place, or I can knock it myself. I had to do POS to get money to start buying things. And guys, do you people believe that I bought this this water leaf for 400 naira? Like, why? Why will they sell this water leaf for 400 naira for me? Because normally I dey buy am for 100 naira, 150. In fact, when I dey my village, I dey buy am 70 naira. But I bought that for 400 naira. But what can I say? It is well. It is well. It is well. In the name of Jesus, it is well with our soul today. Don't mind my voice. I'm singing because of the situationship in this Nigeria. Okay, this meat can feed 5 persons. You get me? 5 persons. It will feed them. Normally, I'm supposed to be buying meat of 200 naira. Yes, because now only me the shopper. But because it's only 1k, that is the least they could give you normally. If you tell any man say you won't buy feed, you won't buy meat of 500 naira, you go use a matches for sure. So I got mine for 1k, and this is me washing my water leaf. I already put the meat on fire. I'm trying to put my pepper and crayfish here. I'm not going to talk about the whole process. You guys should just see with your eyes. And if you're learning or if you're doing, we are recreating what I do, thank you, I appreciate. But guys, if you pound Afang soup, if you pound Afang leaf rather, it gives you this natural taste more than you blending it or grinding it. Yeah. And I don't know why I don't feel okay or satisfied washing that periwinkle or Isam, they call it. Some people call it Isam, some people call it periwinkle. That is English. The English name is periwinkle though. But I feel like I wash this and wash it. I feel wash it like more than 20 times. You know, I go see the fish sand there, even with salt. So I'm almost done. This is the simplest way you can make your Afang soup. Trust me, there's different ways to make Afang soup, but this is just a simple way I did mine. And trust me guys, if you taste this Afang, bro, just look, just very succulent. Also, yeah, supple. Look at, just come and wash your hand and join me guys. Thanks for watching.